Hi, Tim Harrison, Straight Up Mortgage Guy, and my mortgage tip today is going to be about VA loans. I want to address two different groups. One, the realtors, and two, the consumers. One, for you veterans, thank you very much for your service, and I want to let you know the VA loan program is one of the best loan programs on the street now for anybody with less than 20% down. You have a VA funding fee that's financed on top of the loan, but you don't have to pay it out of pocket. You have no monthly mortgage insurance. You have some of the best and superior rates out there on the market. And you can buy a house, again, no money down, and you could even negotiate, if you're lucky, to get the seller to pay the majority of your closing costs. So you could technically get in there what we call a VA no-no, no money down, no closing cost, and you deserve it. The realtors I want to address. The program has kind of had a bad name, but it's really back from like 15 years ago, and I want to change that understanding of the program right now and get rid of the stereotype that sometimes goes with the VA loan. The VA loan used to have a problem where when we did had the appraisal done, it then had to go to these VA processing centers to be looked at, and that delayed the file a lot of times and made it take a lot longer, maybe sometimes 30, 40, 50, 60 days longer. That's no longer an issue. We have people in our office, when we're direct lenders, they're approved to take a look at those appraisals and make sure that they're done and that they're not been fudged numbers or anything like that. So they look at them, they sign them off fairly quick. It's actually the underwriter who underwrites the file. So these loans can be closed in the same 30 days that we close a conventional loan or an FHA loan. And so we shouldn't be afraid of them. The only difference on this is that we use the VA Appraisal Network, which is actually very experienced appraisers. Maybe sometimes because they're busy it might take a day or two longer, but other than that, very good appraisers. And the only other thing is that they do require termite, both Section 1s and 2s, to be done. Other than that, great loan for the consumers. Until the next mortgage tip, Tim Harrison, Straight Up Mortgage Guy. Thanks for listening.